Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get eye ore in the Forge on Roblox using the best and fastest method currently available. Eye ore is a very important resource in the mid to late game, and many players don't know where to find it or how to farm it efficiently. So let's get straight to the point. The best and most reliable way to get eye ore is by mining inside Ruined Cave. Eye ore does not spawn in early game areas, and enemies do not drop it. The only way to obtain it is by mining, and Ruined Cave is the main location where it appears. Inside Ruined Cave, eye ore spawns on cave walls and in deeper sections of the cave. The deeper you go, the higher your chances of finding it. Eye ore is easy to recognize. It looks like a rock with a glowing eye in the center, so make sure to check walls carefully as you move through the cave. Now let's talk about the best farming method. Enter Ruined Cave and follow the deeper paths. Mine every eye ore you find along the way. Once the cave is cleared, leave the server and join a new one. Then repeat the process. This server hopping method is the fastest way to farm eye ore because minerals do not respawn quickly in the same server. For best results, make sure you are using a decent pickaxe. A better pickaxe means faster mining and less time spent in each server. You should also bring good weapons, since enemies inside Ruined Cave can be strong. A few important things to keep in mind. Eye ore does not drop from enemies, it only comes from mining. Server hopping is essential for fast farming, and always focus on the deeper areas of Ruined Cave. To summarize, the best way to get eye ore in the Forge is by mining in Ruined Cave, clearing the deep paths, and server hopping to reset mineral spawns. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more Forge guides, Roblox tips, and updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.